Hi, welcome to WP and thanks for checking this video. Today I will show how to install WordPress in cPanel. Let's begin. At first, we need a hosting account. This time I am using infinityfree, which is a free web hosting platform. It offers some exciting free features. Now we create a free account. Click to free hosting. Then it will redirect us to the registration form, and then fill up the email address and password, then confirm password. Then click to create new account. Now a confirmation email sent to our email address. Now we're checking our mail address and click to verify email address. Then we need to sign in again. This is our account dashboard. Now we need to create a hosting account. This time it provide us three free account options. Now click to create account and we need to type our subdomain name. Now select our extension which you like. That's the domain. Yes, it is available. Now we need to type our account password, which is optional. It will generate. I typed my custom password. Now click to create account. Yes, our account is successfully done. Now we can go to our client area. This is our client area. You can explore here. All the information is here. The activity details also here. Now it need to refresh one more time, and we can see it basically needs 72 hours to active our domain. Now we can see our domain is active, and we click to our domain to check. Yes, it is good to go. It's running. Click here. Our contact panel will be loaded, and now click I approve. Thanks. The panel will now load. Our panel is loading. Our panel loaded successfully. Here is our contact panel. We can explore here. Everything is here. So we can finally completed our free domain hosting. So it's done for now. Now we need to install WordPress. Now go to the control panel. The control panel is loading, and scroll down and find the softaculous software. I am searching for softaculous software. here. Yes, I can find the softaculous software. This is softaculous app installer. Click the softaculous app installer. It will install more scripts. Now we find the WordPress and click to install. Choose the WordPress version which you want. I click the latest version and choose the custom URL, and I need to install it my home directory. That's why I don't type any directory or create any directory. Now type my site name WP med and the site description. Then I need to type admin username, this time WP med, and type a admin password, and this time our admin email is select the language, this time it's English. Now click to advanced option. Here we can see here is the database option. It will create database automatically. Just we need to type our database name, and type a table prefix. Don't need auto upgradation anymore, and auto upgrade WordPress plugin, auto upgrade WordPress themes, don't check anything. Now we can select our backup location. For this time it's default. Select a theme. I can search the theme. I can search 2011. Yeah, I find this and select this. Now click to install the WordPress. It needs some time to install WordPress completely. Yeah, congratulations, we can successfully install our WordPress. Now we can check our admin dashboard WordPress. Yeah, this is our WordPress dashboard, and you can explore here. Click to visit site. Our site will be loaded. Yes, this is our site. We are already done. We are done to load our website. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like our video, please subscribe us for latest videos and support us. Thank you.